I'm Sarah, and this is Mia. And this is Fresh with Sarah Fegley. Tell me about your favorite food.
It's fried chicken nuggets I got from me.
So I've been cooking since I was very young. Started out, first memory of cooking is actually attempting to make bread with my sisters. And we just mixed some flour, water, and cinnamon together, if I remember correctly, and threw that in the oven. And it turned out kind of like crackers, so it was a bust. But we have learned a lot since then, and I have been making my own recipes. I started late middle school, early high school making my own recipes, and then in college I actually started selling recipes for meal planning type of services. They would all have a certain theme, and from there I've just gone back and forth dabbling in it. And now, since she loves to cook, we are doing this channel. We are going to be teaching you guys at home how to cook with toddlers and handle the mess, just how to have a lot of fun in the kitchen, be okay with the mess because it's gonna happen, and that's what a kitchen is for, right? Whenever you guys think of anything or your kids come up with some crazy idea, you can let us know either in a comment of a video or go ahead and email us at our website, sarahfegley.com. And I can go ahead and whip up your own recipe for you, and we can do a show on it just for you guys. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the cool videos, tips, tricks, and super special recipes right here at Fresh with Fegley. Daddy can help us, yes. Daddy can help us sometimes.
I can help you guys.
And you help cook, yeah. You love to cook, right?